Attention all green card holders. This video is a must-watch for you, especially if you've been holding back on travel plans or worried about recent changes in U.S. immigration policies. The U.S. government has just announced official updates that affect how green card holders can travel freely, but there's a catch. These new rules come with important conditions that you absolutely need to understand before booking your next trip. Ignoring them could lead to unexpected complications, delays, or even detentions at the border. For many green card holders, the ability to travel internationally without hassle is a vital part of maintaining family ties, business, and personal freedom. Over the past few years, shifting policies have created uncertainty and anxiety, making it harder to plan trips with confidence. Now, with this official announcement, there's a sense of relief, but also a strong need for awareness. The new travel rules are designed to balance security concerns with the rights of permanent residents, but failing to follow them exactly could jeopardize your status or cause serious issues when returning to the U.S. In this video, we'll break down exactly what these new travel regulations mean for you as a green card holder. We'll cover everything from how long you can stay outside the U.S., what paperwork you need to carry, and how changes in COVID-19 protocols still impact travel today. You'll learn about the critical deadlines and actions that can help you avoid costly mistakes, plus insider tips on navigating customs and border protection smoothly. Don't risk your permanent residency by being unaware or unprepared. Staying informed about these changes is your best defense against travel disruptions and legal trouble. Whether you're planning a short visit to see family or a longer international stay, this video will equip you with the knowledge you need to travel confidently and safely. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button below. Your support helps us reach more green card holders who need this vital information. Stay tuned and stay informed. Your peace of mind starts here. Traveling as a green card holder has always been a balancing act, but recent changes in U.S. immigration and travel policies have made it even more important to understand the rules in detail. The official announcement that green card holders can travel freely again is certainly welcome news, but it comes with significant caveats that you absolutely cannot ignore. The U.S. government has put in place new regulations that require you to be proactive and careful to maintain your permanent resident status. This isn't just about booking a plane ticket and heading out the door. It's about understanding how your absence affects your residency, what documents you need, and what to expect when you come back. One of the most critical aspects of these new travel rules is how long you can stay outside the U.S. without jeopardizing your green card. Previously, many permanent residents were unclear about this and made the mistake of staying abroad too long, sometimes leading to complications or even losing their status. Under the new guidelines, the maximum time you can spend outside the U.S. without needing special permission has been clarified. Generally, absences of less than 6 months typically do not raise concerns, but anything beyond that, especially over 1 year, can be risky without a re-entry permit. The rules are designed to ensure that you are truly a resident and not someone who's living permanently outside the U.S. This means you need to plan your trips carefully and keep meticulous records of your travel dates. If you intend to stay abroad for an extended period, applying for a re-entry permit before you leave becomes essential. The re-entry permit acts as a safeguard, showing that you intend to maintain your residency even while outside the country. Without it, customs officers and immigration officials at the border may question your commitment to living in the U.S., potentially leading to delays, questioning, or worse, denial of re-entry. The documentation you carry while traveling has also become more important than ever. Alongside your green card, you should have proof of your ties to the U.S., such as employment letters, tax returns, proof of home ownership or lease, and evidence of family connections. These documents help demonstrate your intent to keep the U.S. as your primary residence. The new rules emphasize the need for this evidence because border agents are now trained to scrutinize such cases more closely to prevent abuse of permanent residency status. Another factor affecting travel is the ongoing impact of COVID-19 protocols. While many restrictions have been lifted, some remain, particularly around vaccination requirements and testing. Green card holders need to stay up to date with the latest public health guidelines both for the U.S. and the countries they plan to visit. Failing to comply with these can lead to quarantine requirements, denial of boarding, or entry refusal, adding stress and uncertainty to your travels. This means regularly checking official government websites and airline policies is crucial before every trip. For those who travel frequently or have family abroad, these rules might feel restrictive, but they are designed to protect your rights while ensuring national security. If you are someone who has lived in the U.S. for many years, perhaps decades, and have strong ties here, the new regulations will not prevent you from traveling freely as long as you follow them carefully. The key is awareness and preparation. One thing that often surprises green card holders is how Customs and Border Protection officers handle re-entry after international travel. While you might feel confident that your permanent resident status guarantees your return, the truth is that every time you re-enter, you are subject to inspection. This inspection is routine but can feel intimidating. Under the new rules, officers have more authority to ask detailed questions about your travel history, your intentions, and your ties to the U.S. The goal is to confirm that you have not abandoned your residency. Therefore, being prepared to answer questions calmly and clearly, and having your documentation organized and accessible can make the process smoother. If you appear hesitant or fail to provide convincing answers, it may raise suspicion, leading to longer questioning or even referral to secondary inspection. Secondary inspection is a more thorough review, which can delay your entry and cause unnecessary stress. Knowing what to expect can help you stay composed and confident during this process. It's also worth noting that certain factors might trigger closer scrutiny. For example, if you have been outside the U.S. for an extended period recently, or if your travel patterns appear inconsistent with someone maintaining a primary residence in the U.S., officers will likely ask more questions. This does not mean you are guilty of wrongdoing, but it does mean you should be ready to show clear evidence of your intent to live in the U.S. permanently. Additionally, many green card holders are unaware of the importance of filing U.S. taxes even when living abroad temporarily. The U.S. tax system requires permanent residents to report their worldwide income annually. Failure to do so can be interpreted as abandoning your residency, as it suggests a lack of connection to the U.S. Therefore, ensuring your tax filings are current and accurate is a vital part of maintaining your green card, especially if you travel frequently. There are also cases where green card holders have faced challenges due to criminal records or past legal issues that came to light during travel. The new travel rules put a spotlight on maintaining a clean legal standing. If you have concerns about your eligibility or past issues, consulting an immigration attorney before traveling can help you understand the risks and prepare accordingly. For green card holders who travel with family members, these new rules also emphasize the need for everyone's documents to be in order. Children or spouses who hold green cards must follow the same guidelines and prepare for inspection. Ensuring that everyone's paperwork, including passports and green cards, are valid and up to date avoids complications during re-entry. It's important to remember that these rules are part of a broader effort by the U.S. government to tighten immigration controls while still respecting the rights of permanent residents. The goal is to make sure that permanent residency remains a privilege that comes with responsibilities. Understanding these responsibilities protects you from unintended consequences. If you're planning a trip soon, take time to review the new rules in detail. Visit official U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services USCIS websites, check with your airline, and keep an eye on government travel advisories. Don't hesitate to reach out to immigration experts or community groups who specialize in assisting green card holders with travel questions. Planning ahead can save you from costly mistakes like denied boarding, unexpected detentions, or loss of your green card status. Remember that these changes are not meant to punish travelers, but to protect the integrity of the immigration system. With the right information and preparation, you can continue to enjoy the freedom of travel without fear. If you find yourself uncertain about any aspect of your travel plans, seek professional advice. Immigration lawyers or accredited representatives can provide personalized guidance based on your unique situation. Many community organizations offer free or low-cost consultations for green card holders. Using these resources can make your journey smoother and less stressful. In conclusion, the news that green card holders can travel freely again is undoubtedly positive, but it comes with important conditions. Staying informed about how long you can be outside the U.S., the necessity of re-entry permits, maintaining your ties to the U.S., adhering to health protocols, and preparing for inspections will ensure that your travels remain trouble-free. Traveling with a green card means more responsibility, but it also offers tremendous opportunities to connect with loved ones, pursue career goals, or simply explore the world. Remember, your permanent resident status is valuable, and protecting it should be a priority. Treat every trip as a step that reinforces your commitment to living in the U.S., and make sure you have everything in order before you leave. This way, you can confidently enjoy your travels knowing that you're complying with the latest rules and safeguarding your future. If this video has helped clarify the new travel rules for green card holders, please take a moment to like it. Your support helps us reach more people who need this crucial information and empowers the community to travel smarter and safer. Thank you for watching and safe travels.